Here is how to embed videos on your Wix site, whether it's from YouTube, Vimeo, or a custom source. First, log into your Wix Editor and open the site you want to edit. On the left menu, click on the Add Elements. And from that, click on Video and Music. For YouTube Video or Vimeo, click YouTube Video. Drag it to where you want it and paste the link in the settings panel. The video instantly embeds on your page. Want to use an embed code instead? Click Embed, then embed a widget. Paste your iframe or HTML video code and resize the box to fit your layout. Customize playback options like autoplay, mute, loop, and controls directly from the settings. Don't forget to hit preview and then publish to make your changes live. And that's it. Your video is now embedded on Wix. You're ready to engage visitors. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.